You know those YouTube channels. Yes, those ones. Those ones where they taste test stuff. Well, today, that is exactly what I am going to be doing. I'm going to be taste testing stuff to the extreme. And if you don't like that, you can stop watching. Okay? I got my jalapeno. Wait, what's it called? I got my jalapeno pepper sauce. That is some spicy sauce. I am going to enjoy you, and I am going to save you. Praise be, hallelujah, the jalapeno pepper sauce. It's delicious. It is good. Now is the moment. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Oh, the smell of that smells disgusting. Actually, it smells really good. It smells like barbecue sauce. I didn't even get any. Okay, let's stick my finger in there. Oh yeah, sexual. Got lots of hot sauce on my finger. Kind of looks like I'm bleeding. Feels like I'm about to breathe fire or something. That's crazy. I gotta get more of this shit. Now, I probably give this hot sauce 5 jalapenos out of 10 jalapenos. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Jalapenos? I'm calling it jalapenos. Well, it's still pretty delicious, I must say. The demons have awoken me because that is some spicy sauce. No, but seriously, guys, I'm not a big fan of taste testing channels. I think they're pretty stupid. And yeah, that was pretty much my reaction to it. Leave a like, comment, all that good stuff. Peace out, bitches.